Nestled in the vibrant city of Edinburgh, UK, Beaverbank Place is a student housing haven full of delightful surprises. With its unbeatable location and luxurious amenities, it's no surprise why so many students flock to this cozy abode. Located in the ideal spot, this accommodation provides spacious en-suites and studios, with cozy beds, independent study spots, storage units, and more, perfect for anyone searching for a home away from home. Looking to have some fun? Take advantage of the TVs, common rooms, study zones, and even bike storage. Need some rest and recreation after an exhausting day? Head up to the rooftop terrace or spend time lounging in the courtyard garden. Great places for late-night birthday bashes. Exploring Edinburgh just got a whole lot easier. Staying at Beaverbank Place means you can get to the University of Edinburgh and University Scotland in no time, 24 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. When it's time to stock up on supplies or have a delicious meal, head over to the Sainsbury's local supermarket and Howie's restaurant for their locally sourced seasonal options served in an inviting atmosphere. For some extra fun, don't forget to check out Camera Obscura and World of Illusions, where you'll be mesmerized by its magical optical illusions. Book your stay with amberstudent.com now and enjoy the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Don't miss out on this incredible accommodation.